Hello Dove, so we've got a video I'm excited to do today because I actually worked with this company called Minamul a few years ago. I'll put that video here where I got their body brushing set, which they gave to me, I believe, at a discount. And I've been using it that entire time. I actually just used it yesterday, and I really love it. So when they contacted me with a new product, that they did send this to me for free to review, and these are their organic Konjak baby sponges. Now I do not have any babies, but I figured these would be really good to use on the face, just like I did with their other Konjak sponges, which I did a review on those as well, I believe. Maybe in that same year I did the body brushing set. So let's go ahead and open this and see what they look like. Konjak sponges are made of konjak plants, which are from Asia. And so it's an all-natural organic plant substance that they use to make a lightly exfoliating sponge. The ones I got before were activated charcoal. These are not, but they are plain konjak sponges, and I'll be excited to see how they compare and how they work. Okay, but also the child in me is like, these are so cute. Look at this ladybug. These are adorable. I would be lying if I told you that I wouldn't just enjoy and play with these on my own. We have a butterfly. Something that occurred to me is I'm curious to see if, because these come in different shapes, if it might actually be easier to get into like this fits perfectly in here, to get into those harder to reach places. Here we've got a little cat maybe, or a bear. A star. And they are light, whoop, completely dry. And a cute little monkey. So in this pack you get 5 animal shaped sponges. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use the star so that I can clean this, since I just dropped it on the floor. And I am completely barefaced right now. I had a bad cold sore that I've been like trying to help heal. And it's summertime, so I could use a good exfoliation, a good gentle exfoliation. So we're gonna try this out on camera right now. So that's all it takes. I left that clip in here of me running water over it because that is all it takes to turn it into now a very squishy, soft sponge. Honestly, like, how fun is this? I know these are for babies, but like, why not? Why not have something that's gonna make you smile? I'm gonna take my homemade facial soap. We just put it in this seafoam pump. The video to how I make this will be coming out at some point whenever I run out of what I have, but I've started my DIY skincare series on this channel, so if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I just started the DIY skincare series, how I save money making my own skincare. You can see this video came up 2 weeks ago, how I made my all-natural facial moisturizer for the summer. So we've got our soap. I'm just gonna wet my face real quick. And I forgot my facial towel, sadly, but so it is super gentle. I usually just use my hands, so it feels really, really nice to use like an actual sponge. And this is also a good shape. It can get right into there. Usually Konjak sponges come in like circles, which are great to cover large areas, but can be harder to get into the hard to get places. So honestly, I was correct in thinking that the fun like kid shapes are actually great for getting into these more like corners and of the nose and in the eye here. Just wet that again. And it's super gentle, super soft, but it just exfoliates that like top layer. I'm just gonna do this all over because honestly, this feels so good. And the summertime is probably my favorite time to exfoliate. The winter, you gotta pack on, depends on your skin type, but generally speaking, the winter, you gotta pack on that moisturizer, you gotta pack in that nourishment. And but the summer, like you gotta scrub off some of that grime and pollution that tends to build up. You gotta scrub off the little bits of like dry skin, stuff from like little bits of sun damage, and just get to that healthy under layer. I'm going to use this on my lips as well. For a gentle exfoliation. Completely irrelevant to these sponges real quick. If you have a cold sore, you don't want to be like massaging around it, but it's not active anymore. It's just healing over right now. But you wouldn't want to be potentially spreading that to other areas of your face. So just a quick side tip about cold sores. If you have an active one, and being careful when washing your face. So the really cool thing about these is that they'll kind of tell you themselves when they need to be replaced. They'll start breaking down and disintegrating. They'll get hard spots that won't rehydrate anymore. And that's when you know it's starting to biodegrade. So it's a completely natural substance that'll biodegrade. And all they have are these little cotton strings on them that will also biodegrade. And yeah, it's just a lot healthier for the planet than buying like latex scrubbers or plastic scrubbers, or maybe even microfiber cloth, because that's a synthetic material as well. So I think that these are really great for removing dirt and grime. And hopefully you can tell I have spots and blemishes, either like freckles from the sun or blemishes because I desperately need to wash my makeup brushes. But I hope you can tell that there's a little bit more of a glow. I'm going to give a splash rinse to my face and then put on my moisturizer. I think the light exfoliation that this gives is also perfect for makeup prep, which is what I'm doing today. I'm going to be filming another video of a makeup look. And having this light exfoliation can really help give a smooth canvas to have a better makeup application. So I think that's another great reason for makeup application, and also especially for the summer when you might have some more texture to your skin. And so kind of sloughing that off and helping to have that clean, smooth base. So hopefully you guys can tell there's a little bit of an extra glow, even aside from the moisturizer I just put on. How freaking cute are these? Again, totally unsurprised. This is the third product I've tried and reviewed on this channel from Minamul, and not surprised and just as satisfied and happy with the quality of these products, and super excited to try try these things out that have different shapes that can get into those corners and everything easier, honestly, I love it. And I would actually totally buy these again for myself. Yeah, look at, it's adorable, absolutely adorable, and I love it. So that was a super quick, easy video for you guys today, and another product that I absolutely love, and that's Better for the Planet. Only thing I would say was if they could package it in something other than like a plasticized bag. But other than that, super, super happy. The products work fantastically. So, as you guys know, yes, I got this product for free, but I will never have, and I will always be honest with you guys, I will never have anything on this channel that isn't worth it, or if I do, I will tell you honestly what I think of it. You can always trust me to be completely honest with you guys, but I've used the products and used the company for a while so that you can trust what I'm putting out there, and the products that I'm putting out there, as well as what I'm saying and putting out there. So thank you guys so very much for being here. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this around to groups of people if you're in groups that are looking for the same type of thing, sustainability groups, things like that, where you want to see, you want to spread the word on companies that you can trust that are trying to do better, more eco-friendly products and options. Make sure you share it around as well. I'm trying to grow this channel and the community here of doves that are fighting for a healthier planet and a healthier you. As cliche as that might be, but they're wonderful things to fight for. And so my doves, my peacemakers, thank you so much for being here. I really, really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video.